How do you draw the bond line diagram of but-3-enal? Look at the parent chain first. How many carbon atoms are there in the parent chain? You can see that there is but, which means we have 4 carbon atoms. Let's draw the zigzag line then of 4 carbon atoms. Then we have Al, which is the functional group. So at one end we attach double bond O. This carbon will then be labeled as carbon atom 1. And so we can number the other carbon atoms as well. Now at carbon atom number 3, we have a double bond. So I am going to draw a double bond at carbon atom 3. This is the bond line diagram of but-3-enal.